mondo mi piny owacho ma kaunti no otim mapiyo ya wayanga chenro mar pi makolanya mondo migi thuolo mar yudo pi maler. Chenro mar pi no ero mantiere skund secondary ma nyiri makolanya osemuonyo omenda maromo siling milion 25 kendo geto konyo familia maheo 2,500 mopogore kod konyo kuonde tiegruok mag tije lwedo 5 e wodno. Kara kamano gidwaro mondo mi piny owacho mar kaunti ma Busia ochuogo dundu mag pi nyaka e kuonde mag dak mag ji makono. Gie kindeno Gavana Paul Otuoma oyango ni sani gichako chenro mar tiyo gi sola e keyo pi.
Sisi hapo mbeleni tulikuwa tunateseka. Tulikuwa tunapata maji kutoka kwa zile mtoni ndogo ndogo ile ambayo watu wanachota hata kutumia bakuli, vikombe. Lakini naona huu mradi ukifaulu itatusaidia.
Watu wa eneo hili wameteseka sana kwa muda mrefu wakitafuta maji kutoka sehemu mbalimbali ili waweze kufanya kazi katika familia zao. Kwa hivyo hii mradi ya serikali ya county ambao tunaambiwa kwamba is funded by World Bank itasaidia sana jamii kwa sababu maji itafika mpaka mashinani.
Now with this what we are calling green energy and the new programs that we have put in place including Floka, we are seeing how best to address the energy requirements that are, sustainable and also be able to give people water. And in an environmentally, what we are saying, friendly manner. We had tried to engage the National Assembly if they could consider to pass a law, to have different tariffs for Kenya Power